like brushing your teeth and eating Oreos. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to do a clean with me today after we took down all of the Christmas stuff. Our aquarium needs to be cleaned, our recycling still hasn't come, so that's where we are. We're going to be working on this main area today though. This is my boys' version of laundry. We're just going to bring it all downstairs and throw it on the floor of the laundry room. Hey Rock! The stuff over here on the bar on the left is what's normally out in the living room, all of the decor, and so it's going back up once the living room gets clean. There is all of the Christmas stuff all packed up and ready to go in the attic, but I cannot put that up by myself, and Ross is at the farm playing in the mud, so it's gonna have to wait. The first thing I'm gonna do is throw the curtains into the washing machine so they can get started before I start everything else. And this is all of the boys' stuff that they just randomly leave out. It goes into this basket that goes on the stairs. It's called a stair basket, and so it's where I put all of the random stuff, and it fits so nicely. And then at night, the boys just come get all of their stuff out of it and put it up. Well, that's the goal anyway. If you're new here, my name is Victoria. I have 3 little boys and a man-child, as I call him. We also have 2 dogs. We would love to have you subscribe and join our YouTube family. This is my favorite combo of dusting products. It's Indust and a Swiffer Sweeper. And since we don't have this big ladder out often, I try to get as much as I can up to the top of our windows. They're super hard to clean because they're so high. And so I get as much as I can up on the wall and up on the side walls over the TV as well. I really wish I was brave enough to step up a couple more steps and maybe I could actually get the top of those top windows too, but maybe not. Or I could end up falling and busting my booty. I also wanted to clean in the chandelier while I had this giant ladder out. Like brushing your teeth and eating Oreos. Have y'all ever heard that saying that trying to clean your house while your kids are home is like trying to brush your teeth and eating Oreos? I swear that's what it feels like. As much as I'm trying to clean, they are just, doing what kids do. I apologize for the lamps being in the way. I didn't realize it at the time until it was too late. If you have pets, you might realize this too, but pet hair gets all over my lampshades. I'm thinking these little tins need a few more florals in them, but I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below what you think. If I need more or if it's fine as it is. This song kind of sounds like the Energizer Bunny to me. I don't know why, but that's kind of how I felt at this point trying to clean. I do also vacuum in between the cushions of our couch. It's all connected so it doesn't come completely apart, but you would not believe what kind of crumbs and stuff is in there, and usually a few Nerf darts. Who doesn't need an after dinner snack? It's only been, an hour since we ate. This vacuum is the Dyson Animal V6. I asked for it for my birthday and I got made fun of because apparently that's a lame birthday present to ask for. But I will tell you, I love this thing. I have used it every single day since I got it and I don't care if I'm lame. I like it. It wouldn't be a normal day if I didn't find a Nerf dart and some Legos. Look, it's clean and all put together and pretty. I give it 3 minutes. I will say I'll have to take the curtains out of the dryer and iron them and then put them back up. That Broadway sign is from Decor Stills. I love it. It's not Broadway in New York. Well, it probably is, but I got it because of Broadway in Nashville. Ross and I love going to Nashville and hanging out on Broadway. If you see me scraping wax off, it's because my Scentsy warmer right there, which I adore, the boys like to put their toy soldiers in it and get wax on their feet. I'm still not quite sure why. I did actually go all the way up the stairs and do all of the banister railing. It's just a pain, so I didn't think you guys needed to see all of that. This little basket seems to be a favorite hiding spot. Apparently not only for the kids, because I found a Nerf dart and like a little note from Liam, but I also found some stuff from Ross in there. So apparently that's where everybody just kind of hides stuff when I tell them to go put it up. This cracked me up. Oscar came out to check and then decided, not so much. He went back in and watched me, but he was not coming back out of his kennel. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!